Okay, after 48 years, finally I was able to get Genshin Impact to run on this phone. This is the Honor X8A, and as you can see right now, everything is at the lowest setting. I'll try to bring the highest FPS to 60, just in case it manages to go higher than 30, which is the lowest. But anyways, as you can see, the game stutters. You can play it, but like, it's not the smoothest experience. And keep in mind, this is at the lowest graphics settings. It also took a very long time to load. But if you, if this is the only phone that you have access to and you really just have to play a game like Genshin Impact, suffice to say this demonstrates that the phone can play it at least at the lowest settings, and it is still playable to a certain extent. Now, I just launched Diablo Immortal, and I tried this a while ago, and I couldn't even get the graphics to load properly. There was some glitch or some limitation in the hardware or the software that prevents it from displaying textures correctly. So let's see if we're able to at least have a playable experience on this phone. And as you can see, it really takes a while for the game to load. We're not gonna do any cuts so that you can have the full experience. Okay, how long did that take? It's taking a while. Alright, still the same experience as earlier. The entire all the textures aren't loading properly, and you get this graphical glitch which makes it unplayable. We're gonna drop it down to the lowest possible setting. Okay, still we're getting that graphics glitch, and now it's even worse than before. So Diablo Immortal, not playable on this phone. Now we're gonna try a game called Marvel Super War, which is a MOBA game. Okay, the volume is at the highest setting. That's one bottom firing speaker, which is located here. Alright, we're gonna try to play practice game. Who do we play? Let's play Drax. Where's Drax? Yep.
I hope you bring news of a battle.
And as you can see, the frame rate stutters a little bit
I hope you bring news
from the
of a
UI.
battle. Knives unsheathed.
Let me just change the autofocus because I can see the focus breathing and the camera. Let's just focus it properly.
Heroes attack.
Okay. Let's take a look at the settings. Set prioritized frame rate. HD mode is on medium. That's the default settings for this game. So far, it is playable. Surprisingly playable, guys. Interesting. Interesting, very interesting. Surprisingly playable on this phone. Let's try to bump the graphics up. Okay, surprisingly playable. I'm gonna
We should leave this place.
bump it even higher. So now everything's at the highest possible setting. Alright, surprisingly playable. Even at the highest possible setting. Very nice. Okay. We're gonna do one last test with Mobile Legends. Here we go. Classic mobile game. So I haven't downloaded the resources for this game yet. I just wanted to like have everything on the lowest setting possible so that it is optimized for frame rate. Okay, and yep. So it's not showing up. We'll just proceed directly to hero training. Okay, it's loading now.
Dragonborn is back.
Let's just jump right in. Loading 27%. Okay.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Go to our graphic settings. So this is the
5
default
seconds
settings
till the
without
enemy
tweaking
reaches the
anything.
battlefield. Smash them.
Graphics on high.
All troops deployed.
So mostly on the highest possible setting. Not bad at all, actually. Pretty smooth, and that's one of the things I like about Mobile Legends. It's very optimized for like even the lowest system settings. You can still get very decent frame rates.
First blood.
Yeah.
Wiped out.
Alright. Not bad. Once again, yep, it is on the high settings. And this is without downloading the high graphics resources. So it is very, very playable and is surprisingly good on this phone.
You have slain an enemy.
Lols.
Wiped out.
GG easy, alright. That's it for our quick gaming test. This is the Honor X8A. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. See you guys in the full review. Bye.